Hi all. Today's our subject is pharmacognosy. Now we are discussing important MCQs from alkaloid. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe and press the bell button to receive notification of the videos I am posting. First question, which of the following is not indole alkaloids? Option A, Nexvomica. Option B, Areca. Option C, Vinca. Option D, Rauwolfia. Answer is option B, Areca. Second question, Lieberman-Butchart reagent is option A, acetic anhydride plus concentrated HCl. Option B, acetic anhydride plus concentrated H2SO4. Option C, acetic acid plus concentrated H2SO4. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option B, acetic anhydride plus concentrated H2SO4. Third question, which of the following is not tropane alkaloids? Option A, berberis. Option B, duboisia. Option C, datura. Option D, coca. Answer is option A, berberis. Fourth one, which compound undergoes aldol condensation during its biosynthesis? Option A, tropine. Option B, L-hyoscyamine. Option C, datura. Option D, both A and B. Answer is option B, L-hyoscyamine. Fifth one, Vasaca contains dash basic moiety. Option A, quinoline. Option B, quinazoline. Option C, steroidal. Option D, isoquinoline. Answer is option B, quinazoline. Question number 6. Latex vessels are present in phloem of which drug? Option A, goguru. Option B, lobelia. Option C, datura. Option D, sarpagandha. Answer is option B, lobelia. Seventh one. Which alkaloid is used to treat migraine? Option A, physostigma. Option B, Rauwolfia. Option C, curare. Option D, ergot. Answer is option D, ergot. Eighth question. Which of the alkaloids are liquid and volatile in nature? Option A, atropine and quinine. Option B, morphine and papaverine. Option C, nicotine and codeine. Option D, none of these. Answer is option C, nicotine and codeine. Ninth question. Vinca comes under option A, steroidal alkaloid. Option B, indole alkaloid. Option C, tropane alkaloid. Option D, quinoline alkaloid. Answer is option B, indole alkaloid. 10th question. The degree of basicity of alkaloid mostly depends upon the influence caused due to option A, electrostatic status of nitrogen atom. Option B, electrostatic status of sulfur atom. Option C, electrostatic status of carbon atom. Option D, electrostatic status of oxygen atom. Answer is option A, electrostatic status of nitrogen atom. Question number 11. Which is the example of steroidal alkaloids? Option A, veratrum. Option B, ashwagandha. Option C, kurchi. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. 12th question. Heroin is option A, diacetyl morphine. Option B, butyl morphine. Option C, methyl morphine. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option A, diacetyl morphine. Question number 13. Pilocarpine contains dash basic moiety. Option A, imidazolidine. Option B, imidazole. Option C, isoxazole. Option D, pyrazole. Answer is option B, imidazole. Question number 14. Which drug contains quinazoline alkaloid? Option A, datura. Option B, lobelia. Option C, Vasaka. Option D, coffee. Answer is option C, Vasaka. Question number 15. Vitali-Morin reaction is for option A, strontium. Option B, duboisia. Option C, datura. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 16. Which of the following does not contain steroidal alkaloids? Option A, veratrum. Option B, kurchi. Option C, ashwagandha. Option D, ephedra. Answer is option D, ephedra. Question number 17. Wagner reagent contains option A, iodine. Option B, mercury chloride plus potassium iodide in water. Option C, iodine plus potassium iodide in water. Option D, potassium iodide plus bismuth iodide. Answer is option C, iodine plus potassium iodide in water. Question number 18. Muroxide test is used to detect option A, senna. Option B, tannins. Option C, caffeine. Option D, datura. Answer is option C, caffeine. Question number 19. Meyer's reagent contains option A, mercury chloride plus potassium iodide in water. Option B, iodine. Option C, iodine plus potassium iodide in water. Option D, potassium iodide plus bismuth iodide. Answer is option A, mercury chloride plus potassium iodide in water. Question number 20. T-shaped trichomes are present in option A, tea. Option B, pyrethrum. Option C, belladonna. Option D, verbascum thapsus. Answer is option B, pyrethrum. Question number 21. Dragendorf's reagent contains option A, potassium iodide plus bismuth iodide. Option B, iodine. Option C, mercury chloride plus potassium iodide in water. Option D, iodine plus potassium iodide in water. Answer is option A, potassium iodide plus bismuth iodide. Thank you.